Are you diving into the exciting world of Jetpack-Compose UI in Android? Great! Today, we're tackling an interesting problem that can pop up when working with Compose. The problem we're looking at involves a box containing a text element. The issue here is that when the text overflows and shifts to the next line due to width constraints, it leaves quite a bit of empty space after a certain word, which impacts the overall width of the box. Let's see how we can solve this problem and make our UI more polished and visually appealing. Now, let's delve into the solution for a layout conundrum. The key to optimizing the width of our text element lies in utilizing the onTextLayout callback in Jetpack-Compose. By implementing this callback, we can determine the length of the longest line of the actual text and adjust the maximum width of the text accordingly. This adjustment ensures that unnecessary empty space is minimized, resulting in a more compact and visually optimized layout. The code snippet provided offers a clear guide on how to implement this solution effectively. By following these steps, you can enhance the visual appeal of your UI and ensure that your text elements are displayed in a more concise and aesthetically pleasing manner. Remember, a clean and well-organized layout can greatly enhance the overall user experience. In summary, we've explored a common problem faced when working with Jetpack-Compose UI in Android and implemented a practical solution using the onTextLayout callback. By fine-tuning the width of our text element based on the length of the longest line, we've successfully optimized our layout and minimized unnecessary empty space. I hope this solution proves helpful in your Compose projects. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep coding.